I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now let's go ahead and bring these in. This is a shoe that released on the Adidas Confirmed app. My brother hit me up about these. He said he was copping. I had kind of been going back and forth on them, but once my big brother said that he was getting his pair, I was like, let me go ahead and cop too. You know, that brotherly bond thing. We have the same pair, we rock the same kicks kind of deal. So I said, let me go ahead and get me a pair too. Plus, I mean, the colorway wasn't really that hard of a sell for me. You know, this is my favorite colorway of shoes. I kind of had to get it at this point, or one of my favorite colorways of shoes, I should say. One of my top 2 favorite colorways of shoes. But boom, as you can see, this is an Adidas, and it's kind of a sports box, like an Adidas Sports. It doesn't say sports on it anywhere, but you can see there's a ball player right there, and it's all kind of different Adidas logos and everything going around the side of the box here. Alright, now these are the Adidas Forum 84 High Blue Thread. Alright, size 13 in these. Alright, now I went with a size 13 because the 14 sold out just like that. So I said, let me try for the 13, because a lot of times Adidas run big. And I looked at this shoe and I kind of said, it kind of reminds me of a Jordan 1. So let me see if I can go down half a size and it fits perfectly. Let's see what happens on that. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Comes wrapped in a lot of paper right there. And get that out of there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very old school. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Woo. That Adidas OG Forum High. Man, you know what I like about these, looking at it just straight on, is that it looks, I don't want to say old. It looks like it's aged. The way that they did the coloring on the shoe, of course, is a white and black, or excuse me, it's a white and blue shoe, right? But with the laces like that and the lining around the lace, around the, you know, the seams of the shoe, it looks like the shoe has aged, like it's yellowed a little bit, like, you know what I mean? This midsole is white, but it's kind of sail at the same time. It's just, I just like the way that they made it look aged. Like it's straight from the 80s. Like you just grabbed this shoe from the 80s and it's like, here, we brought this back for you. That's the feel that I get looking at the shoe. It's not quite straight on white, but it looks like it's been aged a little bit. And to me, that's a good look. All the way around, even down where the eyelet is there, has that aged look. Alright. Blue bottoms with the red and the white. Is there anything? It says Adidas, just the Adidas logos there. Alright, lots of the Adidas logos going around. I'm not going to lie to you. I did take this shoe out and give it a look over. That's why the laces aren't as tight. It does come with tags on the other side. The size tags let you know this is the forum. Little booklet. Alright, let me get the shank. Cut that off. Boom. Alright, get that out of there. Alright, so now we got that removed. First things first, when I talk about this shoe here, as you can see those kind of off-white, almost yellowish kind of laces there. Aged laces. It's a nubuck going around the back and kind of a darker gray instead of that white. Blue going around just above the midsole and into the midsole here, going down there. I do like that they hit us with the white and blue there, that design. I think that's a nice look there to throw it off a little bit. And then let's get look at this strap here. This is the one thing about the shoe that I'm iffy about, because I don't really like straps on my shoes. I don't really like the straps like this, except on the Jordan 8s. That's the only shoe that I'm cool with the straps being on, but I don't really like them around, you know, my ankle like that. It would have been nice to me if you could remove it. If you could take the strap off, you can take it out the back like this. It comes out the back, but once it's there, you can't take it off because it's connected. You know, this strap is connected to the shoe. But that would be probably my only gripe, you know, with the way that the shoe is built, is that you can't remove that strap. Alright, here's the tongue. Feels kind of like that nylon like you would see on the Jordan 1. And speaking of the Jordan 1, this is the shoe that I feel like this is Adidas's version. This was Adidas's take on this shoe. Or maybe at that time, 84, Jordan 1s came out in 85. Maybe the Airship is what this might have been based on. Or, you know, they made their own version of that shoe. But to me, first thing I thought was when I saw this was Jordan 1. Jordan 1. Kind of built the same. You know what I'm saying? Like how you would have, this is my version of that shoe. Look at the toe box areas. You know what I mean? Similar height in the shoes. Similar build. Look at the bottoms. Very similar build in the shoes. So I'm a big Jordan 1 fan. And that's what ultimately led to my attraction to these. It's like Adidas's version of one of my favorite shoes. We get the paper out of there so we can see just how soft the toe box area is. That leather right there in the toe box, very soft. Already creasing up there. Very soft. In fact, it's soft all around. Look around here. Look at how soft that is there. And that goes up throughout the shoe. All the way up here. This is more like a suede. The stripes, the 3 stripes are like a suede there. But yeah, man. Pretty good materials used all around the shoe. This leather in the back, very soft. That blue leather underneath there, very soft. Very good materials. On the inside, behind the tongue, Adidas logo. Adidas logo on the front of the tongue. I don't know if I showed that before. And then on the inside there, It's white. You have an Adidas sticker, but white with that blue. Alright. Pretty dope shoe, man. Like I said, my only complaint, only thing I would change is being able to completely remove the strap. You know what I mean? But you all know what we gotta do now. We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet. This is what I was rocking today. These Jordan 1 OG highs and that white and red, the metallic red colorway. Notice how I lace my Jordan 1s. Alright, you see that I skipped the first or the second hole there. I laced the first one, I skipped the second one, I go on from there. Alright, that's how I normally lace my Jordan 1s for comfort for me, so that it's not pinching on my toes there. Same, you can see that here on the white and blue, the University of Kentucky colorway. Same thing, right? Let me put these to the side for what you came to see. Alright, now I left one with the strap down, and then I have the strap wrapped up on the other. Okay, what I didn't do yet is I didn't lace them. I'm gonna need to lace these like the Jordan 1s. Alright, because man, they lace them when they ship them, they have them pulled all the way. But boom, here we are on feet anyway. Alright, now as far as fit is concerned, this is the tip of my big toe, right around where the edge of the toe box would be. That is where the tip of my big toe is. So for me, perfect. Perfect. It was a wise choice to go down to a 13 in these. Width-wise, perfectly fine. My pinky toe would be right here. No discomfort. It's a snug fit, but it's a comfortable fit. So it's not, I prefer this kind of fit. I don't want it to be loose and my foot moving all around like that. This fits perfectly fine. It doesn't hurt my feet. Just fits right. Like I couldn't even go to a 13.5 if that was an option, because I feel like that would be a little too long. But yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good. I'm really not the biggest fan of the straps, but you have to wear it that way. You would have to wear it that way. I mean, I guess I could maybe do like that. I don't know. But you kind of gotta wear it like that. You gotta wear them strapped up. I wish there was an option to take the straps off. That would be the only thing that I would say. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, definitely a dope pickup. Glad that I was able to get them from the Confirmed app. Initially I failed. I hit my size, it said sold out. I tried to go to a different site, Likelihood. They had them. I tried to get them from there. It wouldn't let me enter my address the correct way. So I went back to the Confirmed app, and then they let me get them. And I just got them yesterday. And they released, no, I got these 2 days ago. They released December 22nd. So, you know, mail was a little slow. I kind of thought I didn't get them until Adidas finally sent me that email and said, hey, they on the way. So, glad that I was able to get these, man. These will definitely get rocked. These are definitely gonna get rocked. I wanna beat them up. That's something I wanna do. That's something I really wanna do a lot of in 2021. I wanna beat some shoes up. I wanna wear some shoes so much, because I have so many shoes, right? I have a lot of shoes in here. I want to wear the same shoe, like have favorites and beat them up, because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to wear these shoes and love them and take them out and do things in these shoes. And I can see myself doing that in this shoe. I feel like this could be an everyday shoe and I could just beat it up. And I feel like it will be kind of like a Jordan 1, where sometimes with Jordan 1s, if you wear them a lot, you get some of that good wear into them, they still look great. They look even better sometimes. So that's what I want to do with these, man. I want to really wear these and really go at it and beat them up, man. I just think this is a dope shoe. So I look forward to the adventures that I take in this shoe, man. But anyway, that's going to do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.